What if you could stop hiccups by simply calming your diaphragm? Welcome to unconscious moderation. In the next few minutes, you're not just waiting for hiccups to pass, you're taking gentle, direct control of the involuntary spasm creating them. This isn't about holding your breath or drinking water upside down. It's about using your mind's natural ability to regulate your body's reflexes. Let's begin your journey from spasm to calm, from hiccup to peace. Do not listen to this recording while driving or operating any machinery. Find a comfortable seated or lying position. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently for 3 seconds and release it slowly through your mouth. Again, breathe in deeply. Hold. And release even more slowly. One more time, breathing in calm, holding peace, breathing out any tension, there's nothing you need to do right now except relax. Your body knows how to stop this reflex. Your diaphragm, the muscle causing these hiccups, is ready to return to its natural, smooth rhythm. Hiccups are involuntary contractions of your diaphragm, the dome-shaped muscle beneath your lungs. When this muscle spasms, it causes that sudden intake of breath that gets cut off by your vocal cords closing, creating that familiar hic sound. But here's what's important. Your diaphragm is a muscle you can influence. Through deep relaxation and focused awareness, you can guide it back to calm. Now, I'll bring your attention to the center of your chest, right where your ribs meet. This is where your diaphragm lives. Imagine you can see it, a strong, flexible muscle that normally moves smoothly with each inhalation and exhalation. Right now, it's been interrupted, stuck in a pattern of spasm. But patterns can be interrupted, and new patterns can begin right now. As I guide you deeper into relaxation, your diaphragm will remember its natural rhythm, smooth and effortless. With each breath you take now, feel your chest and abdomen softening. Any tightness around your ribs releases. Your diaphragm begins to move more smoothly, more naturally. Let your shoulders drop completely. Let your jaw go slack. Let your entire torso become soft and relaxed. I'm going to count from 5 down to 1, and with each number, your diaphragm becomes calmer, smoother, more controlled. 5. Your diaphragm is softening now, releasing the spasm pattern. 4. More profound relaxation flowing through your chest and abdomen. 3. Your breath becoming smoother, your diaphragm moving naturally. 2. Almost completely calm now, the hiccup reflex fading. 1. Deep calm, complete control. Your diaphragm is at peace. Now imagine a warm, soothing light at the base of your rib cage, right where your diaphragm sits. This light is healing, calming, and restorative. It gently massages your diaphragm with each breath you take. Breathe into this warm light. Let it spread through the muscle, releasing any last trace of spasm. Your diaphragm is no longer caught in that involuntary pattern. It's returning to its natural state, smooth and rhythmic. Each breath you take reinforces this new calm pattern. In, smooth and easy. Out, soft and controlled. Picture the hiccup reflex like a small ripple on the surface of a pond. You are the deep, still water beneath. That ripple grows smaller, gentler, until the surface is completely calm and glass-like. Your diaphragm mirrors this calm water, perfectly still, perfectly controlled. From this moment forward, your subconscious mind maintains complete control over your diaphragm. Anytime a hiccup tries to start, your body automatically takes a slow, deep breath. Your diaphragm relaxes completely, and the reflex stops before it can begin. You can create an anchor for this calm state. Touch your right hand gently to your chest, right over your heart. This simple gesture now becomes your signal. Anytime you feel a hiccup starting, touch your chest, take a slow breath, and think the word calm. Your diaphragm instantly responds, returning to smooth, natural breathing. Your breathing is now completely normal, smooth, effortless. Your diaphragm moves naturally with each breath. The hiccup reflex has stopped. You feel calm, comfortable, and completely in control of your breath. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. When I reach 5, you'll open your eyes feeling refreshed, comfortable, and with your breathing completely normal and smooth. The hiccups are gone. 1, starting to return to full awareness. 2, feeling your body calm and comfortable. 3, wiggling your fingers and toes, energy returning. 4, taking a deep, smooth breath, your diaphragm perfectly calm. 5, eyes open, fully alert, breathing smoothly, hiccups completely stopped. Welcome back. Your diaphragm is calm, your breathing is smooth, the hiccups are gone. If you feel even the slightest hint of one trying to return, simply touch your chest, breathe slowly, and think calm. Your body will respond immediately, maintaining the smooth rhythm you've just created.